Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Plymouth Barracuda. Great car, guys. Really pretty paint on this car. It's a recent body up restoration. You can see it's finished in Tor Red. It's got the black billboards. It's got the super cool Gator Grain top on it. 15-inch rallies with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Pretty car, man. Healthy. 440, got a nice little cam in it. 727 torqueflite automatic trans. It's got an 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end, and really slick paint on it. Again, I love the Gator Grain top on the car. That's super cool, and just a nice car. Really, car just pops. I mean, jumps out at me. Good car. Handles good. Plenty of power. For an e-body, it drives pretty good. You know, these things are a little bit, I always tell people they're a little rattly, but this one's pretty good. Nice and tight, drives down the road good. The only thing I will tell you, it's actually got the leather front seats in it. I've ordered them, guys. They're on back order. They will go with the car. They're $900 some. I've ordered them. And they will go with the car. I just honestly, I can't tell you when I get them. They can tell us. They told us it could be up to 6 to 8 weeks. Good car. You can see that front grill's in very nice shape. Chrome's nice. Front valence is nice. Not a whole lot to really pick on the paint. Didn't see a bunch of chips or anything like that. There was one little light spot I saw in it, but man, pretty doggone nice car. These 71s are tough for me to get. If you're hunting for them, you guys know they are not easy to get your hands on. Good looking car. Love the color combo. Again, clean, straight paint on it. Car really looks good. I love this Gator Grain top. I had a 70 this summer that I had with that top on it. The trim's nice. Dash in there's nice. I saw there's some scratch. It's got the original side glass in it. There's a little light scratching in it. I did see that. Dual chrome mirrors. That Gator Grain top is super cool. It's got the rear deck spoiler. Neat car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I've probably got 15 cars. I've been beating the roads to death. We'll try to get that stuff advertised just as soon as we can. A lot of it's on the way. I kind of nitpicked the little bumperettes on. I think they've replaced the bumper, but I think those bumperettes are original. Of course, it's got the Cuda rear valence on it with the chrome tips. So make sure you're keeping track. There's a little chip right there. You know, make sure you're keeping track of that website or Facebook page. I know a couple of cars got sold before they got advertised. I know people get upset with me for that, but I always tell them we're here to sell them, not advertising. The billboards are cool. Great looking car, man. 71s are super cool. Of course, they got the gilt fenders. Pretty. I mean, it's a pretty car. It's nice underneath. Floors are nice and clean. I got you some pictures of the bottom of the car. It's got a 71 drivetrain in it. It's not a matching numbers car, but it does have a 71 440 in it. It's got a 727 trans in it too. Nice little cam to it. Mopar Performance, dual feet, 4-barrel. Edelbrock aluminum intakes. Got a set of hooker headers on it. It's got the dual snorkel breather. It does have power steering. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. It's got a trans cooler. There's your original fender tag. Like I say, good looking car, slick paint, did a nice job on the billboards. Sorry guys, got some little compound in the cracks from the guys waxing it. Yeah, that top is just super cool, man. Again, dual chrome mirrors. This is actually a remote mirror. The glass fits up nice. The door's shut real good. New sill plates. It's got new carpet. Again, apologize, just a little wax on it. Again, there's a split in the seat. That's leather, which is available. I've ordered it, but they said it could take up to 6 to 8 weeks. Factory dash. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it, but those seats will go with the car, guys. Showing 38,000. I'm sure that's not original. There's not supposed to be many miles on the car. I've ordered some new knobs for the radio. That radio actually doesn't work, factory radio. Factory dash. They've got some aftermarket gauges, Stewart Warner gauges underneath there. The only other thing that I couldn't get the blower motor wasn't, where the lights and stuff like that were working. The blower motor wasn't working. It's got Dynomax dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip, rear end. Sorry guys, some dust. It's all body color in here in the trunk. I think it should be. Car's really nice underneath. Like I say, got it up on the hoist, got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Oh, that was the other thing. I knew there was the other thing. There's a little Cuda emblem that goes on there. I've ordered that for the car too. This seat's in actually pretty doggone nice shape, but like I say, I've ordered them both. We'll have Jordy fire it up. Yeah, nice little cam to it. It's good. Car gets it down the road too. It runs strong. I'll tell you, the fit on it for a Mopar is nice too. I'm a Mopar guy, but I always tell these guys they're a pain when it comes to the fit and finish. You can hear the door buzzer works, fuel gauge works, the amp gauge is up there, your temp gauge and oil pressure is down there. Sounds like a big block Mopar. Again, the radio wasn't working, and we will check on that blower motor. We couldn't get it to come on. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that, guys, at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page and get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that's a pretty car right there, man. A little bit bigger meats on the back than on the front. It's got that nice staggered look. Have a great day, guys.